For color garment cues, this wizard determines the optimum amount of white ink that should be applied under black/shadow areas. For black garment cues, only use this wizard when the customer specifically wants black ink printed rather than utilizing the garment as a substitute for black ink. Garment printing requires white ink under colors, otherwise colors fade when garment washing. The garment pre-treatment is designed to bond with white ink but not color inks. Your dealer can provide additional information about best practices. Choose Cue menu, set up how much white to use under black. Multiple test images will be printed within this area. Use a file typical of your work, or choose a test file from RIP, System, Targets. Regardless, the image should have black and dark areas. Set the image size, then click Next. Confirm the range of Underbase strength values. For example, printing from 19 to 28 in steps of 3 will produce 4 charts at 19, 22, 25, and 28, which range from 0 to 90% white under black. Click here to print the charts, then enter the best chart value here. Before entering the best chart value, washing the garment is recommended to confirm how effectively the inks have bonded. Click Next to proceed with determining the amount of white underbase printed in semi-transparent areas. This does not affect the 100% white underbase per the Set Maximum White Ink wizard. Instead, this adjusts separation curves for white underbase in the shadow, midtone, and highlight regions. Be warned that reducing white ink too much can reduce color vibrancy. There are 4 chart categories, which vary from strong to light in the 50% to 90% range. Click here to print the charts, and print as many categories as necessary to pinpoint the correct value. When you have determined the best chart value, set the category, and set the value here.